Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a subject that is a dream for all of us, building a net worth of $1 million within the next 5 years. Many people believe this is impossible, but if you leverage the US economy and the investment tools available here, it becomes as simple as basic mathematics. However, keep in mind, there is absolutely no room here for get-rich-quick schemes or fraudulent apps. We will be discussing pure strategy. First and foremost, you must cultivate the mindset of saving a significant portion of your income. The cost of living in the US is quite high. Therefore, achieving this goal without a side hustle or a high-paying skill set can be challenging. Your immediate priority should be establishing an emergency fund to ensure that unforeseen crises do not disrupt your investment journey. Next comes your most powerful tool, the stock market. US market. Investing in S&P 500 index funds is arguably the safest and most profitable strategy available. Consistently invest a substantial sum each month into funds like VOO or VTI. The magic of compounding will work in your favor. If you are able to invest $10,000 or more per month, the goal of reaching $1 million within 5 years is well within your reach. You need to turn your attention to real estate. The opportunities to leverage real estate in the US are abundant. If you purchase a multifamily property and engage in house hacking, living in one unit while renting out the others, you can effectively eliminate your own housing costs, allowing the rental income to cover your mortgage payments. Over a 5-year period, the appreciation in the property's value, combined with the equity you build, will propel you significantly closer to becoming a millionaire. Thirdly, learn to utilize tax-advantaged accounts. Accounts such as a 401k or a Roth IRA help accelerate your investment growth by minimizing your tax burden. This is particularly advantageous if your employer offers a 401k match. This constitutes essentially free money, an opportunity that would be foolish to pass up. Fourthly, build your own business or digital asset. Platforms like YouTube, affiliate marketing, or any online service that generates income in dollars will multiply your primary earnings manifold. Becoming a millionaire is not merely about earning a large sum of money, but rather about utilizing that capital effectively. Cut down on unnecessary daily expenses. Stop purchasing luxury items and focus instead on acquiring assets. Remember, with discipline and patience, a time frame of 5 years is sufficient to accumulate $1 million. Start today, for once time has passed, it can never be reclaimed. I hope this roadmap proves useful to you. See you in the next video.